Hi, Ryan Heck here. Today we're going to be grilling filet and green beans on the egg, a very simple yet rewarding dish. First we're going to prepare the green beans with some fresh minced garlic. Once you've got the garlic all diced up, we'll mix it in with the green beans, some oil, some pepper, and some garlic salt. Now we want the egg to be as hot as possible for the filet, so while it's coming up to temperature, it's a great time to put the green beans on. The half moon skillet's the perfect egg accessory for this because we can fit the green beans on one side of the egg and the fillets on the other. A little bit of char on the green beans adds some flavor, but be sure to keep an eye on them so they don't burn. While the green beans are cooking on the egg and it's getting up to temperature, we're going to prepare our fillets. First we're going to pat our fillets dry. Then we're going to add some kosher salt, pepper, and garlic salt. I prefer to use the coarse salt because it sticks to the fillet a little bit better. Be sure to get both sides. Now that we've got the egg nice and hot, we'll get those fillets on. We're going to let the fillets cook on the egg for about 1.5 minutes before we quarter turn them. We'll use this opportunity to take the green beans off as well. Then we'll flip them after another 1.5 minutes. After one last 1.5 minutes, we'll do a final quarter turn and then our fillets are just about done. We've got the egg nice and hot, let's get those fillets off. Now we're going to plate these fillets with the green beans and give them a try. Perfect. A really simple dish, but a ton of flavor. A simple and easy way to introduce yourself to the big green egg.